This is Eric Mother, Mother.com, January 1st, 2021. I just want to share with you a video I sent to previous paid subscribers. That's the subject line. And I want to discuss that as I gave them this flash sale, good for 24 hours, where 2020 was frankly one of the best years ever. And the best stocks of 2020 did make Mother.com subscribers very happy and, oh yeah, much richer. So I would like to extend this flash sale. It's only good for a short period. And check the description of this video. I'm going to have lots of examples as a sample of some of the stocks that we highlighted over the last year. So check the description of this video and you can see here, these are the best performing stocks for 2020. According to barchart.com, the stocks in yellow are Mother.com stock picks from 2020. So these are the top performing stocks for 2020. The ones in yellow are Mother.com stock picks. And check the description of the video for all these videos you see here that highlight some of the best performing stocks, actually a sample of them. All right, let's get down to the business. I'm offering an opportunity here to become a subscriber to my paid website for such a low rate. Right there, $99 per year. Cancel future billing anytime. And there is a 30-day money guarantee window. I wish you guys a fantastic 2021. And if you want to be able to capture some of the best moving instruments for this new year, 2021, do take advantage of this special rate. Eric Mother, Mother.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.